Many students also struggle at evaluating fractions without using calculator. Okay, sometimes some schools in Sec 1 you are not allowed to use your calculator for paper 1. Okay, but most schools they will allow you to use your calculator. But when they say without using a calculator, doesn't mean you cannot use your calculator. It's just that they want to show you to see certain working. Okay, so if you have a complicated numerator and a complicated denominator, I would suggest to you that you write down what is your numerator equals to. That means you can find out each of them separately. 1 over 4 minus negative 2 over 3 divide by negative 1 over 12. Okay, so over here when you have minus, this will become plus. Divide by negative 1 over 12. We can just leave it first. Let's just do the inner bracket as always. Common denominator would be 12. So this guy must multiply by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 4, multiply by 4. This will be 3 over 12 plus 4 over 12. For the inside the bracket, divide by negative 1 over 12. That will mean it's 7 over 12 divided by negative 1 over 12. In primary school, when we have fraction, we learn KFC, keep the left, flip the right, and then cancel. 7 over 12 multiplied by negative 12 over 1. Flip the right side, cancel 12, cancel 12. Your numerator is equals to negative 7. Such a nice number. Okay? Then you can evaluate your denominator. All this is you can be part of your working, is totally okay. Alright, doesn't mean you have to solve everything from the question that they give you. You can break them down into parts. Negative 2.5 multiplied by negative 4 and 2 over 5. Make it into a improper fraction. Negative 5 over 2 multiplied by negative 22 over 5. Okay, cancel, cancel. Negative multiplied by negative is positive. I will have 22 over 2, which is equals to 11. Alright, now it's okay to have your working here like that. Then you say that, okay, this is your question. Divide by negative 1 over 12 over the denominator is equals to, put in the numerator, negative 7 over 11. And all your working has already been done here and here without the use of calculator.